Laser cut the ring first. Measure with a caliper the piece where the flower or heart will be placed. Then make a square the size of the tab, and place it in the center of the flower or the heart. This way the flower or heart fits tightly on the tab of the ring. Now we are going to assemble the ring. First, take a dab of glue on a piece of paper. Use the applicator brush to spread glue around the tab of the ring. Then take the heart or flower and place it over the tab, pressing it firmly. Then take the little heart and coat the bottom with glue. It is a very small heart, so you can use tweezers to place it neatly in the center of the flower or heart. Then assemble the other rings in the same way. the link to the flower or heart ring design, and the explanation is written in the YouTube description. The design is downloadable on www.designfind.com. The acrylic was cut with the XTOOL P2 CO2 laser. The design was created in XTOOL Design Space.